Want to save on Melodics music lessons in 2025? Here's how to find and apply promo codes easily. Step 1. Search online for Melodics promo codes to discover current discounts. Look for offers like 15% to 25% off, or even free lesson bundles. wethrift.com. Step 2. Sign up for Melodics email newsletter. Subscribers often receive exclusive discount codes and early access to sales. Step 3. Follow Melodics on social media platforms. They occasionally share special promotions and limited time offers with their followers. Step 4. During checkout on Melodics' website, enter the promo code in the designated field. Ensure the code is valid and not expired to apply the discount successfully. Bonus tip. Some music educators and influencers share exclusive Melodics discount codes with their audiences. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to save. With these steps, you can access Melodics' top-notch lessons at a discounted price.